Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you Android Auto installed on Audi Q5 2015. So this vehicle does not have the MMI system, it has the regular concert audio. So we are using the control from the concert audio to allow us to scroll between the options in here. We're using the center button kind of an enter, so we press on it. We go into our different options we have here. We have the music, NHL, Spotify. We can go to again the maps. We have phone calls and everything here. We also have the Google voice command, so we're gonna hold the button, send a text message.
Unfortunately, that's not available on this device.
Navigate to Tim Horton.
Showing results for Tim Hortons.
Okay, so all the options you have on your phone for the Google voice, you can use them on your radio. For other devices and other electronic, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.